to a famous girl's video.
Oh yeah?
Welcome to this vlog. I was debating on doing this vlog, but I was like, you know what? Let's just bring you guys along on this cute little trip because we're in Miami and you can just stay here for the nonsense. I don't know how aesthetic this vlog is gonna be. It's gonna be real. It's gonna be raw. I'm gonna bring you guys along, and if you see someone, you know, a little too drunk, then enjoy the show. And we're about to go eat some lunch. This is our little outfit. Let me get another view. Outfit check. We're all doing little mini skirts. They're so cute. Skirt is addicted and my skirt's addicted. I have my Prada loafers. Hold on. My Prada bag.
I'm from Miami, where the sun.
Came to lunch and I will just, it's too loud, so I'll just show you the food and I'll catch up with you later when we get ready for dinner. Sharing everything. What time is it?
I thought it was bad.
What time is it? Do you like when it's... Excuse me? Would you happen to have the time? Excuse me, what time is it?
Batty, shot o'clock! Get it.
Look at you.
Drink puppy.
Delicious flavors. Good morning. I am exhausted. I am hungry. I want a coffee. I want a coconut water. Somehow we made it out of bed and I don't know how that happened, but I'm grateful. I am literally so low energy right now, but I'm ready and that's all that matters. So when we get there, hopefully we catch a vibe. Hopefully. I have energy. I am hungry. I'm gonna vibe. What else? That's what I'm saying. I want a grilled cheese. I can't eat bread. Can I just have a plate of cheese? But melted, so I feel included. Delilah?
Delilah.
So, if you're in Miami, I do recommend Delilah. That was my first time there. They've been there.
It was cute.
It was so cute. It was such a good
so
vibe.
much more vibes than Vegas.
Yeah, like there was a lot of vibes. Service was good. Food was good, but honestly, we don't eat that much. So like we only got 2 plates, but the steak was delicious. The lobster pasta was a little spicy, but we ate that. Yeah, everything was delicious.
And the chicken.
Let's do an outfit check.
Have fun. You know what? Whatever. Please no picture. These girls were taking pictures and they're like,
I was like, damn, you're on it. I'm like, Jesus.
and then
Yeah, we're gonna test. Yeah, but that's the first grade.
it's 8 a.m.
We took our nap and now we got dressed. We're gonna go to the boat. Hi, vlog! We're alive. We're alive. We got some fruit, we got some beer.
While we were napping, the girls decided to stay here and drink, and me and Ash were like, no, we need a nap and then we'll drink. So now they want a nap and we're like, we want a beer.
But we have to leave soon, so we're gonna have to tell them to come down.
My mom was trying to nap and I was like, I'm sorry, you need to get up. She was like barely closing her eyes. I'm like, honestly, like, you need to wake up.
But she got up and she changed, so.
No way, I said crazy, scary, spooky, hilarious, and Ashley thought I just like made that up. I'm like,
I still don't know what song it is, but it sounds
crazy, scary.
What we bring to the function, we got some beers, got some water, and we need some tunes on a boat.
Yes, ma'am.
Our mascot, I love that puppy.
What's his name again? I forgot.
Biggie Smalls.
Biggie
Biggie
Smalls.
Smalls. Biggie Smalls. Hello, I'm Tiggy. Welcome to my crib. And this is my tour in 20 seconds. It's also not my boat. This is Lexi. So I'm gonna give, this is where me and Lexi hang out and have our combos.
This is where Ashley threw up. Right there.
But we're not gonna do that today.
No.
This is where Lexi sleeps because she's small. She's the tiniest person I've ever seen. And today sleeps because she's the queen of all queens. And out here, we have the birthday beer. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got everything like this. Okay, that is the end of the tour and goodbye.
For you guys, and I'm so happy, and I'm literally blessed to spend another birthday with you guys in the sun, in the beautiful water, the ocean, the breeze, and I love you girls for being here for me.
Bye. I'm back home. I'm back home, guys. So I got back from Miami yesterday. We went to go eat and now I'm home and I'm happy to be home. I had such a fun time. I love hanging out with them. Like my aunt and my cousin, me and my whole family, we always glow together. So we always have a good time. I need to get my whole life together here because we leave in 3 days to LA. Bao and I are gonna go support her friend. She's launching a collaboration with Salud, the drink. Right now, here's the outfit check. All the slippers and vintage Coach backpack and this jean jacket from Addicted with a black dress and little sockies. I got these from Amazon. We're gonna get some coffee and come back home, try to get it together as much as I can so we can prep for our next little vacay trip. But I'm so happy you guys watched. Please like, please subscribe. I'm so happy to make these little videos and to bring you guys along. And thank you for watching. And I'm so grateful. I love you guys and bye.
Get me done right.
You want a baño?